Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you join us today. We're diving into an exciting countdown of the top-selling mirrors and parts products on Amazon. Whether you're looking to upgrade your space or find the perfect accessory, we've got you covered with the best of the best. Without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the finest mirrors and parts available right now. Stay tuned as we reveal what's trending and why these products are top of the charts. Let's get started. At number 5 in our countdown of the top mirrors and parts on Amazon, we have the Joy-Tutus Wrangler mirrors, an outstanding choice for your off-road adventures and everyday driving. Designed with precision for Wrangler JK, JKU, and TJ models from 1997 to 2018, these mirrors come with everything you need for a seamless installation. Say goodbye to complicated setups. These mirrors include all the bolts and brackets for a hassle-free experience. But the Joy-Tutus mirrors offer more than just ease of installation. Their innovative design provides unparalleled flexibility. With 3 adjustment methods, up and down, front and back, or a full 360-degree rotation, you can fine-tune your view both vertically and horizontally. This means clear, distortion-free visibility, enhancing your driving experience whether you're on the road or off the beaten path. Built to last, these mirrors feature a robust iron construction with a powder-coated, rust-resistant finish. This durable design ensures longevity, while rubber washers cut down on vibration, keeping the mirrors stable and secure. A standout feature is their breakaway function, which automatically adjusts the mirrors to avoid breakage upon impact with obstacles. Perfect for those rugged outdoor adventures, this feature helps prevent damage and keeps your mirrors intact. And let's not forget noise reduction. The streamlined design of these mirrors minimizes wind noise, offering a quieter, more pleasant ride. Enjoy your journeys without the distraction of excess noise or the worry of traffic violations. Installation is a breeze with the one-piece design. Follow the simple instructions, remove just 2 bolts on each side, align the mirrors, and secure them with 2 new bolts. It's that easy. No reassembly required each time you use them. Elevate your Wrangler with the Joy-Tutus mirrors, the perfect blend of function, durability, and convenience. Don't miss out on this top-tier accessory for your vehicle. At number 4 in our countdown of the top mirrors and parts on Amazon, we present the 2 PCS Blind Spot Mirrors, a game-changer for anyone who values safety and precision on the road. Designed to enhance your driving experience, these 2-inch round HD convex mirrors are engineered to maximize your view of those critical blind spots. Whether you're passing, changing lanes, or maneuvering through tight spaces, these mirrors help you avoid potential accidents and collisions, creating a safer driving environment. Ideal for any car, van, SUV, or truck, they bring added security to all your journeys. One of the standout features of these mirrors is their 360-degree adjustment capability. You can tailor your view from virtually any angle, ensuring you get the perfect perspective no matter the driving conditions. This flexibility is crucial for navigating complex traffic scenarios and tight parking spots. Crafted with HD real glass, the mirrors provide a clear, distortion-free image. The convex design enhances visibility, while the ABS housing ensures durability. With a diameter of 2.28 inches, these mirrors are compact yet powerful. They come equipped with 3M adhesive for a strong, pressure-sensitive bond that holds up under various weather conditions. These mirrors are IP67 waterproof and rust-resistant, making them suitable for both interior and exterior use without worrying about haze or deterioration. Installation is straightforward. Simply clean your original side mirrors, stick the blind spot mirrors on, and press down firmly to ensure a secure fit. The included rubber scraper helps with precise application, ensuring the mirrors stay in place. Included in the package are 2 blind spot mirrors, 2 spare 3M adhesive pads, and a rubber scraper for easy installation. Plus, with a lifetime warranty, you can drive with confidence knowing that any issues will be promptly addressed. For returns, refunds, or exchanges, simply reach out through the Amazon messaging system. Upgrade your vehicle with these essential blind spot mirrors and drive safer today. At number 3 in our countdown of the top mirrors and parts on Amazon, we introduced the Automotive Blind Spot Convex Car Mirror, an essential upgrade for any vehicle aiming for enhanced safety and clarity. Why settle for an ordinary fisheye mirror when you can have one engineered for superior performance? The Automotive Blind Spot Mirror isn't just any rear-view accessory. It's meticulously designed to cover a broader area, reflecting images 3 times larger than standard mirrors. This expanded view makes rear visibility easier and safer, transforming how you see and interact with your driving environment. Equipped with outdoor-rated adhesive, this mirror stays put under the harshest conditions. Whether it's freezing cold, a high-pressure car wash, or exposure to salt water, the adhesive ensures your convex mirror remains firmly in place. No more worrying about your mirror falling off or losing its effectiveness over time. Automotive understands that mirrors within mirrors can be distracting. That's why they've embraced a frameless design. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, making the blind spot mirror look like a seamless part of your car, but also reduces visual clutter, providing a more integrated and professional appearance. Safety is paramount, and Automotive's cutting-edge design aims to boost your confidence on the road. With its expansive view, you'll find changing lanes and navigating traffic more secure. This mirror serves as a cost-effective yet highly efficient alternative to more complex blind spot monitoring systems. Sized at 3 inches by 1.8 inches, this convex rear-view mirror is perfectly suited for sedans and regular 4-door cars. But if you're driving a truck, Automotive has you covered with additional options tailored to larger vehicles. Upgrade to the Automotive Blind Spot Convex Car Mirror and experience the difference in visibility and safety. Drive with assurance and clarity, no matter where your journey takes you. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling mirrors and parts on Amazon? If you're loving the view, don't be shy. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell like it's a new car horn. Your support keeps us reflecting on the best products for you. At number 2 in our countdown of the top mirrors and parts on Amazon, we spotlight the LivTee Blind Spot Mirror, an essential tool for driving safety and enhanced visibility. Here's the key to perfect installation. Make sure to clean your original side mirror with alcohol or another cleaning product. Press down firmly when attaching the blind spot mirror to ensure it stays securely in place. This step is crucial to prevent the mirror from falling off and ensuring it performs at its best. This pack includes 2 2-inch round HD glass mirrors, designed to offer you unparalleled clarity and a wide-angle view. Each mirror features a frameless, ultra-thin and slim design that's not only sleek but also highly effective. The curved, convex shape allows you to anticipate your surroundings better, whether you're merging lanes or navigating through tight spots. Equipped with a tiny adjustable swivel mounting bracket, these mirrors are 360-degree adjustable, giving you the flexibility to find the perfect angle for maximum visibility. The strong adhesive ensures a secure fit, while the waterproof and rust-resistant properties mean these mirrors will stand the test of time. Plus, the glass won't haze, maintaining clear visibility in all conditions. Installation is a breeze. Just attach the mirrors and test them within seconds. They are universally compatible, making them a must-have accessory for trucks, cars, SUVs, RVs, and vans. Please note, however, that these mirrors are not suitable for motorcycles. With the LivTee Blind Spot Mirror, you'll enjoy a safer and more confident driving experience. Upgrade today and see the difference in your road safety and driving ease. Taking the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling mirrors and parts on Amazon is the LivTee Blind Spot Mirror, your ultimate solution for enhanced driving safety and visibility. This exceptional product comes as a pack of 2 2-inch round HD glass mirrors, each featuring a frameless ultra-slim design that blends seamlessly with your vehicle. With the latest upgrade in 360-degree rotation and sway adjustability, these mirrors maximize your view, offering a wide-angle perspective that transforms your driving experience. Safety is at the forefront with LivTee's convex mirrors. They effectively eliminate blind spots, making lane changes and passing safer on any road. Whether you drive a car, van, SUV, or truck, these mirrors are designed to fit and enhance your vehicle's safety profile. The 2-inch HD glass mirrors boast a curved, frameless construction that ensures a clear, distortion-free view. IP65 waterproof and rust-resistant, these mirrors are built to withstand the elements and maintain their clarity over time. Say goodbye to haze and enjoy a crisp rear view with every drive. Installation is straightforward. Simply clean your original side mirrors, attach the blind spot mirrors to the adjustable swivel mounting brackets, and secure them in place. It's a quick process that ensures you're ready to drive safely in no time. LivTee stands by their product with a strong service guarantee. Should you have any questions or issues, their team is always ready to provide support and ensure your complete satisfaction. Upgrade to the LivTee Blind Spot Mirrors and drive with confidence, knowing you have the best in safety and visibility. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling mirrors and parts on Amazon. To keep up with all the top picks and latest trends, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.